We got to come and talk about this goalkeeper again, Mohamed Jumma. He was sensational against Guinea. We're going to take a look back at some of the saves he made. Remember, he's up against Girassi, one of the most in-form forwards in the world, scoring against most teams in the Champions League this season. What a performance from this man. Here we go. Guinea straight from the first half. Relentless pressure. Great confidence there, punching that one out. Really good. This is a good save as well from close range. This is immense from close range. So impressive. This one again, not afraid to put his body. This one where he tips it over. That is fantastic. So many saves into the second half. Another good save there, pushes it out for a corner. This keeper is on fire. Look at that. Not putting it into danger. Good save with the legs there. What a player. He's got to get a big club. He was so impressive. Again there, a lot of bodies to see through. This is not fluke. This is 12 or 13 big saves for his country. Really proud of him. Respect to him. But the question is, can Somalia keep this up and get their first ever win in this group against Botswana next week?